Today we are working on a Suzuki Alto VXR, and in this video we are going to show the complete process of shifting and removing the engine using a pulley and engine lifting equipment. Before starting the job, the first step is to make sure the vehicle is parked on a stable and level surface. Safety is extremely important because we are going to lift a heavy engine out of the vehicle. The vehicle should be properly secured, the handbrake applied, and the wheels should be blocked if necessary. The bonnet is opened and the engine bay is inspected carefully. Before removing anything, it is important to understand how the engine is connected to the vehicle. The engine is attached through engine mounts, wiring connections, fuel lines, coolant hoses, intake components, exhaust connections, and other supporting parts. The battery is disconnected first. This prevents accidental electrical shorts while working on the wiring and starter connections. Once the battery is safely disconnected, the surrounding components can be inspected and prepared for removal. The next step is to drain the fluids that could interfere with engine removal. Depending on the repair procedure, engine oil and coolant may need to be drained. Any remaining fluid should be collected in suitable containers and disposed of properly.